Looking to sharpen your PeopleSoft skills? Whether you're new to PeopleSoft or a seasoned pro, our live, instructor-led training courses help you build real expertise fast. As an Authorized Oracle University Partner, SpearMC delivers interactive courses designed to fit your needs. No pre-recorded videos, just live hands-on training from PeopleSoft experts who understand real-world challenges. Our courses cover everything from PeopleTools and Query Manager to HCM, FSCM, and Campus solutions. You'll gain practical skills that you can apply immediately, whether you're an administrator, developer, or functional user. And our public training sessions run year-round, with courses scheduled regularly so you can learn at a time that works for you. Want ongoing access to PeopleSoft training? Check out the SpearMC All-Access Learning Pass, which gives you 24/7 access to expert-led courses, recorded sessions, and hands-on exercises anytime, anywhere. Oracle trusts us to train their customers on PeopleSoft, so when you learn with SpearMC, you're getting insights from the same experts who help organizations succeed every day. Ready to take your PeopleSoft expertise to the next level? Explore our training calendar and register for an upcoming course today.